What's going on, fam? Here's a ride to Thunder Beach with the guys. Here's just me and my cousin Batman. We left pretty early. The crew was scattered. We had another rider, Spanky. He pulled up maybe 4 hours late that night. The young gun Zay pulled up, but doesn't matter when you get there, as long as you get there. But this is me and Batman on that ride to Thunder Beach. Here we're riding, started sprinkling, so we decided to try to beat the rain and shoot back to the Airbnb for some games, some shots maybe. Rain on and off really kind of ruined the weekend, but we still made the best of it. We still hit every event we could. But yeah, it was definitely on and off rain. As you can see, we're acting as Floridians with no helmet. With that rain and no helmet, wasn't a smart idea, but shit, it is what it is now. We made it home safely. But yeah, man, the rain kind of took us in for a while. We came out later that night, didn't get too much footage of this trip, but we'll definitely have a ton of footage on the next Thunder Beach in October.
music.